Shit. It's 1, 2, 3. Fix my addition. So I don't have a fancy watch. We want to make sure we color these. That one goes there. That one goes here. That one goes there. We want to make sure we color them so we don't forget them. So color, color. Mask it off, do this, do that, right? Anyway, back. Now to do some solder spiking. I forgot what he called it. You should leave a comment down below if you think this is gonna work. I'm just gonna assemble it just the way it is. Won't even test it. You gotta remember, we marked our screws, right? Okay, moment of truth. Just plug her in. Oh, well, freaked something up. All right. Shit. Y'all thought I messed that up. Give me the little wiggle jiggle test too. You see, wiggle jiggle, wiggle jiggle, wiggle jiggle, wiggle jiggle. This is called the Wiggler Diggler, by the way. Boom.